Developing the next generation of maritime technology is reliant on having well-educated employees. This is one of the reasons why ExxonMobil Marine and the Institut of Teknologi Sepuluh Nopember, in short ITS, partnered up 2 years ago. ITS is a national public university sitting on 180 hectares land in Surabaya, Indonesia. With a strong emphasis on scientific, engineering, and vocational education, ITS is currently home to more than 1,000 faculty members and more than 20,000 students. The close collaboration between ExxonMobil Marine and ITS aims to blend industry know-how and academic rigor to ensure a seamless knowledge transfer. This has included an investment in the classroom resources at the Marine Engineering Department, which has enhanced the learning environment for students. However, the collaboration between ExxonMobil Marine and ITS extend just beyond infrastructure development. Curricular enhancements such as internships, joint research, and research publications has offered students the opportunities to apply their knowledge in real-world settings.
Thanks to this partnership, I've had the chance to meet many inspiring maritime professionals. One way, I was able to this way by attending a panel discussion focused on sustainability organized last year by ExxonMobil Marine and ITS. It was a fantastic opportunity to listen a range of speakers, including Komang Suarjana, Sales Manager of IPMS, and an alumni of ITS, and learn about renewable energy. Their knowledge and insight made me excited about a career in marine engineering. It was so great that 2 of our classrooms have been revamped and upgraded. Overall, this partnership has supported my studies and also my friend to prepare our career in the marine industry. I hope this collaboration continues to provide more opportunity for marine engineering students to get internship and career at ExxonMobil.
During my final semester and while waiting for my graduation from Marine Engineering Department at ITS, I started my role with ExxonMobil Sepuluh Limited that was approximately 5 months ago. Here, I have the chance to get involved in different projects across both onshore and offshore sectors. The ExxonMobil Sepuluh Limited team is very supportive and I've been given many opportunities to get experience in the field. At the moment, my role is focused on construction engineering and I can confidently say that the tasks and responsibilities I've been given so far have built transferable skills such as piping engineering. I've also get experience oil and gas safety consideration, project contract management, and much more. Without ExxonMobil partnership with the Marine Engineering Department at ITS, I wouldn't have such amazing career opportunities. Last but not least, I'm very lucky to have such a supportive mentor and supervisor.
The collaboration between ExxonMobil and Institut Teknologi Sepuluh Nopember provide outstanding opportunities for everyone involved. Students get access to practical training within the marine engineering industry, ensuring they graduate with flying colors and are ready to confidently start their careers. The university benefits from having updated facilities and up-to-date curriculum. And ExxonMobil Maritime Operations gain unique access to the next generation of young talent, strengthening its position as a marine industry leader. This year, ExxonMobil Marine and Institut Teknologi Sepuluh November are planning more activity together.